Okay, let's do an unboxing of these items that I've just purchased from Lidl. So first of all, we've got the pressure washer, and it's the PH170A1 model, and it looks pretty cool for a power washer. And then we have the patio cleaner, which is part of the kit that's in Lidl as well. We have a pipe cleaning kit, and we have an angled pressure washer lance. Okay, so I've already slit the plastics on these boxes, so just let's open them up. And first of all, you get a manual and a water filter connection. You get a lance connection and you get a hose pipe connection. So we just take those out. Then we have a bottle of detergent. We have a rotable lance, which has an angled connection on it, which is quite good. Then we have the main lance, which looks pretty good. Nice pattern on that. We've got, appears to be an adapter. And we have the rest of the lance here. Okay, so that goes in there like that. And then we have the unit itself, so it's difficult to, it's pretty heavy actually. So that is the unit. So it looks pretty good. Pressure switch is on the side. Seem to have a little needle to clean the head of the lance. And what I like about this one is that it has this reel, because I've always found all the other pressure washers that I've had that the cable, finding a place for the cable is a problem. So the fact that there's storage on this unit is good. And we have a bottle here for solution, obviously, for that stuff. Okay, so then we have the patio cleaner. So patio cleaner, again Parkside. Comes with rotating nozzles here and a brush, so as you can scrub your patio. So like that. And you have a lance in there. You also have this adapter assembly and the rest of the lance. Okay. And a manual. Then we come to the pipe cleaning set. So again, we have this adapter. Connection on this adapter looks a different size, so I'm not actually quite sure how that works. And this is for some other piece of equipment. This size seems to be okay for the bottom of the lance. Inside here we have a manual. And then we have the cable, pretty long cable. Let's see. Yeah, 15 meters. That's pretty good. And then lastly, we're left with this angled pressure washer lance. So in here we have the pressure lance. Okay. And the second part of the lance. So that screws in there. Okay, so now that's it. That finishes the unboxing of the Lidl Parkside pressure washer, model PHD 170A1. So all of those other boxes are extras, so you have to pay more for those items. But the pressure washer itself seems to be quite a good unit. There are other videos online where you can see people actually using them to clean their patios, so I will be using it to clean that patio outside there. Okay, thank you for watching.